guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Threads app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on accessibility here. So when you just click here on accessibility, you can to next step here, come here to show alt text, click in this sign here. Like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean here show alt text enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.